Good morning, everyone. This is Peter Jones. Sorry, good afternoon, everyone. This is Peter Jones. I'm in the UK. Canon Felix of the Printernet Affiliates asked me to explain what I was doing in respect of any crypto projects I was working on, and this is my reply. Also serves as an update for Printernet Affiliates about things that I'm doing in order to try to find ways to support what's going on in Africa. Of course, with our project leaders on the ground of Printernet Africa, it would be great if we could find some crypto buddies for them. Obviously, there are existing non-governmental organisational type operations going on. What we're looking for is for Cloud Buddies to bring in crypto and other tooling that can be supportive for the work that Printernet Africa project leaders are already doing. Now, some of those project leaders are engaged in regenerative farming. Now, there's a lot of regenerative content out in the wider web. It's less the case with Facebook. So what we want to do is try and make it, try and provide a channel from the wider web into Facebook, repurposing that content that's already out there, and thereby maximising access to Africans who rurally and locally might have poor web access. This is to improve that web access. So there are also instances across Princeton, Africa, where local trading is taking place, small groups of people trading with one another. Now, we know of one technology called Sarafu, which works on telecoms networks. It would be great possibly to try and find others that work in a simple way that are available outside of crypto communities. We don't currently know about others apart from Sarafu at the moment. It would be great to find them. It would also be great to get people inside Sarafu helping to onboard folk outside of direct contact. In other words, people are currently traveling to villages in Kenya in order to do the training. Would be great to be able to do that online rather than having to travel to go and see people in person. That's not going to happen immediately. Maybe it might happen sometime during the year. That would be lovely. There is a sort of wider crypto economic movement, and obviously one of the things I'm doing is to try to support that. And while I'm engaged in that, I'm looking for opportunities for Africa to take part and engage and basically enhance its ability to be able to work using online tooling. One such example is a group called Bankless Africa. I'm already supporting that group. There are tech-savvy and connected Africans in that group. Ideally, what we'd like is to try to get them to put a helping hand back, if you like, to more grassroots Africans who need more help getting involved in cryptocurrency. So one of the things that I'm doing is to create a space which I'm calling Afri-Co-working. This is to involve diaspora folk, that's diaspora Africans, who are based primarily in and around London, because that's where I'm based, and particularly East 14, because there's a very helpful digital community there. And what we want to do is, again, try to find people who have a vested interest in Africa to come and help and activate and become buddies. And so the call to action is to create that and structure that digital space in a technology called Discord. We want contributors and Cloud Buddies to connect and work together, and we want to bring in DAOs that we already know. Thank you very much.